What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. In today's video I want to share with you a couple of thoughts what I do have on my mind for Euro USD. It's very simple trades and I don't really want to complicate too much. I just thinking it's gonna happen this way and we'll see how everything is gonna end up. So basically, who don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm a break and retest trader. So yeah, if you do like this type of content, leave a thumbs up, comment if you do have any questions, and we're getting straight to the point. Let's get it. I'm gonna make my face a little bit smaller so everybody can see me right here. Okay, so what do we have here guys? Let's check first on the daily, yeah? Don't pay attention to these red lines. This is just the key zones kind of that I throw on the chart, just to keep in mind where is the wrong numbers, yeah, because usually the price action usually bounces from side to side, you see. I don't know how this works, but something like that works, I don't know. Anyway guys, my point is another one, yeah. We kind of faked above here, sweep this high, yeah. It's very simple. But right now we look kind of bearish, yeah. But today's day has been such a weak at the top, weak at the bottom, most looks like as an indecision point or something like that. But at the same time, yeah, let's just throw a couple of zones here so we can go from there. We do have here a zone, very simple. We do have here a zone, and then we do have, let me just put it this way. And we do have, I would say this zone, but it's not this zone, it's actually this key point. I would put it this way. So that's basically my zone on the daily, yeah? So I was basically waiting for the kind of retracement, and that's what happens right now, yeah? But we are overall like bullish, to me, basically, yeah? What happened next, yeah? If we do see here, we do have some internal structure or something like that, yeah? And I see here a zone that we just broke. Yeah, and we kind of could come back here to retest it, yeah. And with the fact that this is the retest zone, the support is being resistance here, broke, so now acting as a support, yeah. So basically what do we see here, yeah? We came here slowly, and here we had a huge bullish engulfing, yeah. So what I'm expecting right now is to take the price action back up right here. That's only made. It's nothing too crazy, guys. And on the 1 hour, what do we see here? We kind of forming the bounce, huge spike down, huge spike up, break this structure, and now we're coming down. So to me, that looks like head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders. So it's very simple, yeah. And what I did right now, it's very simple, guys. We just see here like very beautiful things, yeah, like blue candles all the way up here, yeah. And to me, sorry guys, bless me. And for me, yeah, what it looks like break this structure, and even this structure, yeah, all the way up. All this structure broke, now it just came to retest, and from here, it looks like right now it's gonna be the Asian session. It won't be too much volume here, but to me it looks perfect scenario just to take shorts from here and just to put underneath here and just to target this zone. That's gonna be kind of my plan, and that's gonna be my plan, and yeah, we'll see how it's gonna work out. But this is kind of my thoughts for tomorrow. If you can like this type of analysis, it's nothing too crazy, guys. I just think, and that's how actually trading works. You just bet on something. It's nothing like we can predict or some stuff like that. On the daily, we are bullish. On the 4 hour, we kind of retrace it. Yeah? But at the same time, don't forget, guys, you break and you have to retest this. I mean, you don't have to, but who knows? So if it's gonna work out, then it's gonna be some good profit. It's just trading zone to zone. It's nothing major. But we'll see how everything is gonna end up. If you like it, thumbs up, subscribe, comment if you do have any questions. Simple and beautiful. Peace and love. I'm out.